So a quick overview of the Polaris door handling tool. As far as the tool control goes, you've got your raise and lower with the balancer, and then you've got attach and release here. Attach single lever. Release is also single lever because we have the release circuit tied into the load cell interlock. So I'll demonstrate that once I pick up a part. The other feature is the rotation lock. So I pull this trigger finger and it releases our pneumatic brake locks, and I'll demonstrate that when I pick up a part. So one other item, and I'll show this to you here. When I attach, I've got a vacuum gauge right here, and so I wait. It's a visual indicator for the operator that the vacuum is in the green arc. So I picked up the part. I pick up the part like this. I'm going to shift my hands over. My right hand goes onto this handle. Left hand here. Release the brake. Rotate, and I can stop the rotation wherever I want. So I'll keep. They'll rotate it to the angle that they want. Release the brake holds it where it's at, and then they can go down and install it onto the vehicle from that point. Also, the release interlock. I got load and it won't release. So when I come down, I'm going to keep the down lever, and I'm watching my load cell. As soon as that comes down, I can hit release. That air here is your blow-off. So they want to detach from the part during that timed blow-off cycle.